Hi friends, it's Jenny. I am just leaving one of my favorite appointments that I get to take customers to, and that is when we go to visit our custom cabinet factory and showroom. I have a lot of people that want to understand the difference between stock cabinetry and custom cabinetry, and I often equate it to the difference between, say, a Fiat and a Maserati. They're both cars. They'll both get you from point A to point B, but certainly the price point is different. Certainly the look and feel of them are different, and the experience using or driving the cars are different. So cabinetry is similar. Stock cabinets work in most applications, but we do have customers that have a specific look or finish or size that we just can't accommodate through a stock cabinet. That's when we go to custom cabinets. So while I was here, I took a spin through the factory and took a couple pictures and videos so you could really see these artisans at work. It's amazing what they can do. Take a look.